There she is, look. Come on, Mum. That's it, we made it to the top of the hill.
Yay.
She done it, everyone. There we go. She's off with Bonza. Weather's not too bad. But it isn't the rain. Need to climb up there, the new Bonz.
Pardon?
She likes to climb up there.
She does.
Go on, Mum, you have a climb.
No. Oh, late is not funny. Don't even dare put that in the video.
How are you finding it, Tess?
It's not good.
You know full well it's going in the video. And how proud will you be now sitting in the house
Oh, I
watching
won't.
this? You will.